Mole, from the Nahuatl word moli, meaning sauce or mixture, predates Spanish arrival. Indigenous civilizations like the Aztecs prepared complex chili-based sauces using native ingredients, dried chilies, seeds, tomatoes, herbs, and spices. These sauces were often served with turkey and used in ceremonial meals. One of the most famous origin stories comes from mole poblano. Legend says nuns in Puebla hurriedly created the sauce to impress a visiting archbishop, combining whatever ingredients they had: chilies, spices, nuts, stale bread, and chocolate. Whether myth or marketing, it captures the essence of mole, complexity born from creativity. When the Spanish arrived in the 16th century, everything changed in a fascinating way. European ingredients entered the kitchen: cinnamon, cloves, almonds, sesame seeds, garlic, onions, and most famously, chocolate. Rather than replacing indigenous cooking, these ingredients blended into existing techniques. Mole became a true fusion cuisine long before the term existed. Each region, family, and cook has their own version. Some recipes contain 20 ingredients, others exceed 30. There is no universal formula, only tradition and technique. Historically, mole has always been associated with celebrations and ritual. Weddings, religious festivals, Day of the Dead, major family gatherings. Why? Because mole is labor-intensive. It symbolizes effort, abundance, and hospitality. In many ways, mole tells the story of Mexico itself. Indigenous foundation plus Spanish influence plus regional identity equals enduring tradition. And that's why mole is often called one of the most complex sauces in the world, not just in flavor, but in history.